Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have the 2021 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400. Now, start off with the obvious. It's a new key. Infiniti is transitioning to this different key fob. I like it a lot. Red Sport got some nice updates for 2021, including this black chrome on the front grille, as well the removal of the side emblems. So it's really turned into much more of a sleeper. Really the only indication are the red calipers, and if you know what you're looking for. Total price as configured, $61,645. Base price $57,750. Exterior color midnight black over gallery white. 400 horsepower, 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 350 pound-feet of torque. Carbon fiber trim throughout as well, which I like a lot. This is the Proactive package, which comes with actually a lot of stuff. Direct adaptive steering, which is an electronic steering. Pretty cool. Lane departure warning, active lane control, blind spot intervention, adaptive front lighting system. Yeah. Let's take a look under that hood and see that 3-liter V6. Never opened. Aha. Oh yeah. It's definitely a very, very cool car. Red contrast stitching. There's no mat, so carbon fiber trim up throughout here. One of the biggest complaints with the previous, like 2020, 2019 Red Sports, this screen and this screen had very different resolutions. Now they updated that top screen as well as the bottom, so they match perfectly. Other than that, there's not a lot of updates other than just tuning. I just got out of the Q60, which was a 2019. So I can already tell the adaptive steering has been improved greatly. And it overall just is a much, much better experience here. Which is kind of hard to say given the fact that the Q60 was so good. But for 2021, definitely some great improvements. Let's go for a drive. So with the direct adaptive steering, it is a fully electronic steering rack, I do believe. Might have changed it, but last I remember it's fully electronic, meaning there is no connection, normally no connection between the front wheels and the steering wheel. However, in case of emergency, whereas the power on the car gets cut off, there's a clutch that engages the steering rack, because there is an actual steering rack that is there, and engages the steering rack so you have steering. And it's a fail-safe. So the instant it loses power, you still have steering. Seats are extremely comfortable. I could be in these seats for hours. Plenty of adjustability. All the materials in here are very, very nice. Didn't expect it to be this good. I've driven Q50s, not the Red Sport. The first time in a Q50 Red Sport, driven the Q60, of course. But very, very impressed. So where is this in the market? What does it kind of go up against? BMW M440i, or BMW, that's the Q60 M440i are competitors. This is the M340i, as well as the Kia Stinger GT. This goes right up against that as well. What do I think of it? Because obviously I've driven like 9 Stinger GTs. Honestly, I would go with this one. It's just that much nicer. Tons of features and amenities. It's awesome. I love it. Especially for this. See, you know, I've done 4 or 5 pulls now between the Q60 and this one. It still is overwhelming the swell of torque. This is, of course, the 7-speed automatic. Very, very good transmission, completely honest. Visibility is actually very, very good. Of course, a little bit better than the Q60 just due to the fact that this is a sedan. That's a coupe. Although blind spot wise, they both have blind spot monitoring. They actually will steer you back into the lane if you're about to hit a car, which is absolutely impressive. Kind of hurts after a while. Tell on the highway it's super comfortable. This is sport everything, sport suspension, sport steering, which look at the inputs I'm doing. That is a good steering rack. And what's nice is in the Q60 it felt a little bit too light for my liking, whereas now they've improved upon it and there's a good amount of weight to it, so it's not going to surprise you. It's just, and it's also a little bit more responsive too, whereas there was a tiny delay that you can't really pick up, but you know it's there. There's no delay. It is instantaneous. It is perfect. In a roundabout way, I think this is better than the Ghibli. This kind of competes with the Ghibli, sort of. It's not obviously luxury on this. Well, actually, yeah, it actually is more luxurious than the Ghibli. But on these back roads, man, it is just... Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. I definitely can tell that they improved the transmission tuning as well. Paddles are a lot more responsive, and just overall gear changes and everything, it's perfect. 1, 2, 3, green light, please. Thank you. Wrong pipe. There we go. Even for being just a normal torque converter automatic, it's still phenomenal. I have no complaints in that department at all. On that note, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.